Yo! Starting off the day with Earn by Time. Current rate is $17 an hour, and this first order is going to be a Carl's Jr. going 5.5 miles.
Welcome to Carl's Jr. Are you using the mobile app? Thank you.
Thank you. I just realized they gave me the wrong order. What is this?
Welcome to Carl's Jr. Are you using the mobile app?
I just went through the drive-thru. I think you gave me the wrong order.
Is the right order on there? On there, I put the wrong this one.
Okay, can I get... Yeah.
Okay, sorry.
Thank you. I didn't think the app would actually tell me that it was the wrong order. Well, wrong name on the receipt. No tip on that one. Very nice. Total for that was $8. And got this next one right away. This is McDonald's going 4 miles.
Hi, welcome to McDonald's. Would you be using the mobile app today?
Thank you. Another no tip. Wahoo! Total for that one was $4 and change. Been a little bit since that last order, but we finally got the next one. This is actually a stack going to the same person. This is Carl's Jr. and Starbucks going about 4.5 miles. Thank you. Total for that stack was $11. Got this next one as soon as I passed the restaurant. Luckily, it wasn't like 10 seconds later, or I'd be making a very, very late U-turn. This is a Seize the Bagel going 6 miles. Hello.
Thank you so much.
You have a good day.
You too.
Thank you. That looked like a nice little food spot. Might have to go there one day. Total for that one was $7 and change, and got this next one right away. This is a McDonald's going 4 miles. Total for that one was $7 and change. It was a pretty quick one too, so not bad. And got this stacked Black Rock coffee right away. This is going a total of like 4 miles, a little bit more than 4. Total for that stack was $11. It has been about 20 minutes since that last order was dropped off. A lot of that time in between was getting back into my zone, but I have been sitting around for a while and got the next order. This is a shop and deliver for Walgreens. $12 going 5 miles, 7 items. Should be an easy one though. Got this right away. This is a shop and deliver for Safeway. $8. Are you gonna open or what? $8 going 2 miles, 4 items. got another shop and deliver. This one's going to be Fred Meyer, $7, going 4 miles, only one item.
Clear.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Well, besides walking across the whole store because I came in the wrong exit, or entering the wrong, whatever, you know what I mean. That was pretty easy. And got the next order lined up right after this. It's a shop and deliver for Safeway, $10, going 3 miles, 3 items.
Please remain at this location.
And I think the other one's on the other side. Is there only one size of those?
Yeah.
Okay, should be that then. Got the next order lined up right after this. It is a shop and deliver for Safeway, $13, going 5 miles, 3 items. Actually, canceled that. I looked at their order and it has a bunch of deli stuff, like ready to eat food that isn't out yet, so not gonna be able to do that one. Got this order right away. This is another shop and deliver. This is Fred Meyer, $12, going 2 miles, 3 items.
How's it going?
Next order up, got a shop and deliver for Target. This one is $9, going 4 miles, 3 items. All right, time to go home. Current time is 9:47. Current total is 94, and I'm pretty sure I'm waiting on Uber tips, so that should be going up. That is going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.